Tayo ay nasa kusina at nagluluto ng umagahan. Happy Sabado! So, late kami nagising. Kasi ang tagal namin natulog kagabi. 2:30 na ako natulog kagabi. Ang pagising ko, bumaba ako dito at sinalang ko yung longganisa. Nilagay ko sa air fryer tapos balik ako sa taas para maligo. Ang nakalimutan ko ay isa lang ang rice. So, pagbaba ko na, after ko na maligo, saka ko sinalang yung rice. And now, I'm cooking egg while rice is cooking. And I'm doing 4 at a time. Ayan. Ay, ang sarap ng itlog. Okay na ako dyan sa itlog. Oh, thank you. Nandito na naman ang aking hindi. Nakita niya inon ko kayo. Ah, kami. Hello. Hello. Uy! Hello. Uy, bakit mausok? Yung ano? Mausok mo. Inopen ko. Okay. Saglit. Hello.
Tapos ka na, Holly?
1, 2.
Baba, are you done?
Morning everyone. I'm India. Tapos na sila. Kapi na ako guys. Tapos na sila kumain.
Sorry naman. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Ray.
Oh yeah, alam mo, punta tayo doon tapos punta tayo sa Panaderia kasi magkatabi lang sa...
Sa inyo pala yung... Mayroon dito yan? Panadari. Kasi sa ano sa Asian store, nagdi-deliver sila doon madaming pandesal.
Hindi, doon talaga sila nagluluto. Ang galing. Show, babe. Ano-ano yung pinagdadala. Mag-walking kami after nito, guys.
Walking kain muna. Yeah, out, not in here.
Yeah, that's enough, thank you.
It's upstairs.
What is it?
In that drawer where I sleep.
Siguro yung ano na niya, yung sugar na niya ba, nag-ano sa,
Oo, nag-stick doon sa machine na yun.
yeah, nag-smoke. Tinanggal ko na kanina.
Ay, yung una.
Yeah, towards the end na to nag-smoke.
Yung ganito ko lang to.
Oh, yeah, Pasko to. You wanna go play? Go play with Ate Uli ko.
Go, ate, so we can eat.
Play. Look, you play with your... Hala, kuna na tayo, B. Okay, sige, upo ka dyan.
Not on the carpet, huh?
No, it's hard now.
Put it in the bin.
Oh, yeah, it goes in the bin. That's dangerous for Indy. It's hot, Alo.
It's hard. Put in the bin na.
Feel it.
Ito na naman ang mga malilikot na kamay. Ang mga malilikot na kamay ni Inday. You still have rice. Ayla, can you bring the high chair here, please? Baby, thank you. I'm trying to put her in. Meron pa siyang ano dito in food. Hindi talaga tayo makakain. Sit. Sit down. Wait, I don't have slime. Slime is not allowed in this house. You know that. You're lucky I'm letting you play with it. Yes.
Ate. Holly.
Hello? I'm gonna tell Kuya Zach to go home now. Okay, behave then. Stop. Okay, behave if you want them to stay.
Go outside with Kuya Zach.
Go outside. Don't bring the sword.
Naughty
Swords
boy.
outside. No swords outside. No swords outside.
Tudin kasi nito.
Please. Come.
Diba? Ang ano din. Sabi.
Shoes? Do you have shoes?
Nam nam.
Hindi niya talaga. Sobrang suka. Suka ka ba?
Dagdagan ko din yan pala.
Kuha ka din ito.
Kasi isa na lang tira. Pero meron naman daw ibang spice na ano? Vinegar. Pero ibang masarap talaga talaga.
Ibang dito. Parang andyan na.
Kasi marami na silang iba-iba. Ang liit kasi nito.
Yung dato pa din, meron din, di ba? Makikita mo yung mix.
Ang laki nun.
Haba. Dito, parang niliitan yung boat eh.
Ano? Ano? Yung ano talaga na yan? Play-Doh, slime.
Yan ang pinag-aawayan ng lahat. Yes! Kuya sa kabit. Zater!
Hindi na tayo makakain in peace talaga.
Mapalaki man o maliit.
Ikaw din, para kang koala. Koala ka ba? Ay, yung koala, bibilang lang. Ha? Why is my bibilang lang here with me?
Wala na talaga. Mayroon na tayong kaunbi. Mayroon na tayong pa. Yan, dami na naman. Ay,
As in, kinikwento ko kay Manay na ano, pag open ko ng drawer ni Arlo, ang gulo ng mga damit. Tapos pag open ko ng drawer ni Indy, ang gulo din ng mga damit. Si Dan pala. Kahapon, kasi nga umalis kami, tulog pa si Arlo. So, kahapon siya yung nagbihis kay Arlo. Wala pa. Upo naman ako. Ang bilis naman ito, naglinis na siya. Hindi pa ubos yung kape ko. Soapy pa yung kamay mo. Kikwento tayo dito. Umalis tayo kahapon, tulog pa si Arlo. So, syempre, siya yung nagbihis kay Arlo. Hindi ko nalabas yung damit niya. Usually kasi nilalabas ko yan. Kasi nagugulo talaga. Ang gulo ng drawer ni Arlo. Pagkita ko, sabi ko, kumuha ko ng damit for today. Sabi ko, ay, ano ba yan? Anyway, naisip ko, yeah, siya pala nag-alaga kay Arlo kahapon. So, okay lang. Pag open ko sa drawer nito, pakagulo. Tapos ang dami pa maliliit. Ang gulo-gulo din. Siya din kasi nagbihis sa kanya nung naliligo kami. Sabay kami naligo. Tapos nauuna siyang matapos. Binibigay ko siya kay Dan. Dinadry ni Dan. Tapos binibihisan. Usually, nakalabas na din yung damit niyan. Kanina, hindi naman plano na maligo siya. Naggising lang siya while naliligo ako. So, inano ni Dan. Pinasok sa shower. So, dun, nag-ayos pa ako dun. Walang katapusan, no? But sabi ko nga kay Manay, at least tumutulong, di ba? Doble, triple trabaho nga lang after nilang tulong. But at least tumutulong. Pagtingin ko talaga mga damit mo, be. Kung saan-saan na lang napunta. Tapos, mahirap na i-open yung drawer kasi nagkakagulo-gulo na nga.
Sa kabilang ano
Nangyari dito? Tapos naisip ko, siya pala nagbihis. Tapos yung nilagay pa niya dito, ang cute-cute. So paglabas niya, pinakita niya sa akin si Indy. Sabi ko, oh, she's so pretty. Short sleeve, tapos naka-leggings. Yun pala, hinanap niya yung short sleeve talaga. Sa dami doon. Pero pinalitan ko, guys, kasi malamig. Kala siguro ni Daddy mainit. Ang lamig kaya, windy. Kinuha niya talaga short sleeve na top, napaka-cute. And leggings, si cute naman, baby ko lang. Aba. Tapos umalis na pala. Umalis na si Jan at saka si Dan. Meron silang ganap ng kanila. Naiwan kami sa 6 na mga bata. 6 na kids. Mag-walking kami, guys. 6 na. Sabi ko kay Manay kagabi, nagkakintuhan kami ba? Sabi ko, tayo palang 2 pamilya. 6 na agad yung mga bata. Dami-dami na natin. Dami-dami na. Ay. Alright, let's go, guys. Oh, hello. This is a full car today. Who's gonna do the ready?
Me.
Okay, well, you have to decide first who's gonna do it.
I can do it. I don't want to do it.
Okay, go.
Mommy ready?
Yes.
I think the Benoit ready?
Yes.
Are ready? Yes. Auntie ready? Yes. Ready? Yes.
There's 2 more kids at the back.
I put the sack ready? Yeah, dong. Holly, Holly ready?
Oh, bakit nag-open?
Holly!
Holly ready?
Yes.
You just sit it here, Holly.
So we're all ready.
Everyone ready!
For Halloween, B. Ang
Kaya nga, ang cute nga.
Ay, ang cute.
Bye!
Oh, good job, Ayla.
Everyone ready?
Yes! Everyone's ready. Ang cute ni Arlo. Kung 20 pa lang tayong tao dito.
Roll call talaga
Roll
yan.
call talaga.
TJ.
Oh, no.
Watching the house, Baba.
We left him in the house. Is that okay?
We're not gonna fit, Baba. Did you bring your footy, son?
No, that's actually my footy. It's yellow.
Hindi got it. Why? Why?
She got footy?
Are you sure, son? Kasi umiyak siya kanina. Siguro yan ang in-offer niya.
Yeah.
Oh, ito tungo na. So kay
She's biting it. That's the only thing she likes doing for everything. Biting.
That's the only thing she likes doing. Just biting.
Eating, everything.
That's all Barry's doing, man.
I know, man.
Oh, dito na tayo.
Yeah, kaya nga.
We pick T-shirts. You pick
Ito magandang view
dresses.
dito.
I pick.
Walking na pala kami, guys. We've been walking for what? 10 na? Wala akong lip tint. Tingnan nyo ako. Sa dami ng pinagagawa ko kanina. Na, gusto na niya umupo. Are you sure? Pababa na si Zach at saka si Arlo. Umakyat na naman sila dyan. Kanina pa sila dyan. Nagko-content yung ating Sisi doon. Hindi ako makaakyat kasi syempre may prom ako. Look at Arlo and Kuya Zach. Uy, baby. Naiwan ko yung dami niya, guys, sa car. Nandito na ang ating prinsesa. Prinsesa! Yeah. Mas, siya pa ata yung umaano sa'yo. Yeah, siya pa nga umaalalay sa'yo. Kaya mo pa ba? Si Zach nga, karga-karga si Arlo. Tapos ano, tumatakbo. Pababa.
Natakot akong nakita ko sumunod siya sa akin.
Mom.
Hey, you like the falls? It's nice. Nice waterfalls. Ay, naiwan talaga yung dami niya sa car. That's okay. Look at the water. It's nice. Hot. Dito na kami, guys. Sa baba. Nakabalik na kami. Open yung food truck ngayon. Ang galing. Last walking namin, wala. Hindi ito open eh. So, hindi nakapag-ice cream niya. Yeah, hindi nakapag-ice cream ang kids. Ayun, may ice cream na sila. Alo's got chocolate. Yan yung kanyang...
It's so yummy.
That's good. Ate Holly's got cookies and cream and strawberry.
Milk, mommy.
Oh, good job. Isla's got vanilla. Kuya Zach's got vanilla and cookies and cream with cracked cone. Ah.
Cheers. Buddy.
Two singles and two doubles.
What do you guys say to Tita Manay? Say it really loud.
Thank you, Tita Manay.
What do you say, Alo?
Thank you, Tita Manay.
Thank you din daw. Sa batang hindi pa din tulog hanggang ngayon. Not the jumbo. Are those jumbo?
No, regular.
Okay, yep. Yeah, 2 of the regular and then 2 of the minis, please. Thank you, my love. Can you check there in the freezer if they've got some dried fish?
Dried ship things.
No. Nah, not that one. Thank you. What's that? Butter. What is it? Rabbit fish? Not
Let
that.
me just.
Not the big one.
I got dried. I don't think you want that one. Dried.
Dried herring? No, not that one. Not that one. But the butterfly one, I'm just trying to see what's the Tagalog of it. The butterfly one, yes, that one, please. Tanggit. Just one of those, please.
Yep. Anything else?
Mr. Chips, please.
They've got some. They've
Ooh.
got Bico, cassava cake, puto. Was it cassava cake or not?
Yes, please. Just one. The brownest one, please. No, Biko. Thank you.
I'll get one because I like it.
Okay.
Puto flan or not really?
No. If you want it, but I don't want it. Can you get that crispy patata, the brown thing at the bottom, please? Just one?
This one?
Yeah, thank you, babe. Do they have the cheese ring for the kids?
Flakes or not really?
Yes, please. Skyflakes, the condensada. Let me check my list. So you got the ketchup, you got the vinegar, oyster sauce, hot dog, and calamansi. And then chips. Yes, that's it. Thank you. Thank you, my love.
That's right. What do you need from Martin's?
Alright, thank you, my love.
That's all right. See you, mate.
Bye. Dito ako sa car, guys. Hinihintay ko si Manay. na lumabas. Nag-order ng milk tea ang ating manay. Punta sana kaming Welcome Asia kasi kailangan kong bumili ng hotdog para sa breakfast bukas. But then si Dan malapit lang dun. Si Dan at saka si John, lumabas nga sila. Meron silang mga inasikaso and malapit sila dun. So sabi ni Dan, ako na lang bumili. So ayun, bumili siya. Thank you, Danny boy. Ang ating sisi parang inubos niya ata yung milk tea sa Coco kasi hanggang ngayon wala pa din. Yan yung paano mo. Ayun na to. Alam mo bang, habang nag-order ka ng milk tea, wala na. Tapos na si Dan mag-grocery. Nag-FaceTime kami. Kasi, sabi ko, feeling ko, nag-franchise ka ba ng Coco? Ang daming tao. Ang daming tao, busy nga. Sabi ko, feeling ko, pagbalik na may, ano na to, Coco franchise. We are home. Actually, kanina pa. Pagdating ng bahay, tinransfer ko agad si Indy sa taas. And then, niload ko yung laundry, guys. Ang hapon ko na naload yung laundry. Alas 4 na, but that's okay. Ang importante, madry siya bukas. Kasi gagamitin ni Dan, syempre, yung workloads niya sa Monday. Tsaka, school na rin sa Monday. Nagpunta siya, di ba, sa Welcome Asia kanina. Ito yung mga nabili niya. So, nandito. Dito ko na lang pakita nga. Ito, 3 cheese ring, roller coaster, crispy patata, 3 Mr. Chips, tender juicy. Tapos nagpabili ako nito danggit. Breakfast namin ni Manay bukas. Ano pa ba pinabili ko? Ano yan? Bumili siya nito. Biko cassava cake. Ano tong pinagbibili niya? 2 cassava cake. Ayan, pwede natin dessert mamaya. Ito, ubos na yung ketchup namin. Masarap to sa hotdog bukas. And then, bumili ulit ako na to. Kalamansi. Maganda to, guys, pang store. Ang laki niya, oh. And then, more pinakurat. Ay, mas malaki to. Compared sa bote ata namin ngayon. Tama ba? Parang malaki to. And then, meron pa. Oyster sauce. Ang liit pala nitong oyster sauce na to. Wala na daw kasi yung mamasitas. But yeah, may hotdog doon sa ilalim. Yun lang naman. Put away na natin to. Guys, naghiwa na pala ako ng pork. Isa tong slab ng pork belly. Tapos hiniwa-hiwa ko into squares. Papakuluan ko to. And then mamaya ay air fry. So, meron tayong crispy pork. Ang sarap nito. So, maglagay ako bay leaves. Pepper. Lagyan ko vegeta. Maglagay din ako asin and garlic. Kasi yung boys mag-ano lang, pipizza lang sila mamaya. Tapos kami ito at saka yung leftover namin na lobster pwede.
No, you don't need that one now. You really need that one. I like this one better.
Guys, ako ay gagawa ng brownies. Kasi kagabi pa ito nire-request ng mga tao. Hindi natuloy kagabi, so let's do it tonight. Nag-order sila ng pizza. Kasi nga gusto nilang mag-pizza.
I'm not having it.
Oh yeah, you're having oh yeah, should I just ano ko na din yung food natin. Lagay ko na sa air fryer. Good job, guys.
What's fun and putting it in there?
So, i-mix ko lang to, pero mamaya ko na to isasalang. Kasi yung pizza nila, darating in an hour and 20 minutes. So, brownie mix and then eggs. You know what?
Okay, go ahead.
Knock. Check.
Knock on the door if you're not sure.
I think I closed it now.
Ding, 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 ding.
And then that's it. Mix with a wooden spoon. Yeah. 6:16. So, darating yung kanila, my gosh, 7:30 or not even 7:40. And then 1 hour and 20 minutes. So, 7:40 darating yung pizza. Ang busy. Kasi ang tagal. Maya pa tayo kakain ko kasi hindi busog na. May nagluluto pala si Manay ng, niluluto mo? Egg soup? Yeah. Egg soup para kay Inday. Tapos na ka? Luto na yung dinner namin guys, pero wala pa yung pizza. So, i-timing natin na sabay-sabay kami kakain lahat. I-ano ko, hiwa-hiwain ko. Ang sarap na yan. Yung kakain kasi nito, kami lang ni Manay at saka si Holly. Kasi yung iba yung kanilang food.
Kumakain ka na ng pizza?
Ha? Yeah. Ay, pakinggan nyo muna to. Hala, iniwan na yung anak ko. Oh my gosh, ang sarap. Uy! Ano nangyari? Oh my goodness. Thank you, Lord, for the blessing. Wait, sabi, ano ako na. Ay, grabe ka crispy ng skin. Ay, ang perfect ng pagkagawa this time. In-air fry ko lang to, guys. Ang sarap na. Alam mo, sana inano ko. Sobrang sarap.
Yes! Oh, nakita niyo na.
Dito na yung kanilang pizza. Timing na timing. Dito na kayo pizza.
There's like $8 difference between the smaller size and
Oh my gosh, ang laki ng pizza. Hala, ang dami. Wow.
There is another one.
Ready?
I just want
Ready, come on.
I just want the cross.
There you go. Tapos na ito
Now,
kumain.
Dad, I don't want
Ang sarap ng
pizza.
egg soup niya.
Oh, we have them crossed in.
Here's the bread. Here in the...
Ben, who?
Kain ka ha. Kasi kain din kami. Dito tayo.
Sabayan natin.
I've got the cross in.
Where's that first? What you doing, little girl? Bit of garlic bread.
Anna, crust.
I'm done a pint. Pizzas are so yummy.
Is that?
Yeah, I hate cross, darling.
That's good.
That's not only 80 days.
I hate that stuff.
Or like they fish like big ones because they from the movie around the house.
Dad. 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 Dad.
That's probably one of them.
Dad. Dad.
Kain. Sarap. Ang ano crispy.
Sarap. Sarap ng sasawan.
Ito may sasawa.
Sarap. The fat is fatty meat. You got lots of fat. So good. Thank you, Lord.
Tapos ang lambot niya pa din. Yeah.
Crispy, tapos lambot yung laman. Di ba sa air fryer? Hindi ka pa napuputokan.
You bang that down here tonight.
Do you want to be dog tea, Dad?
Sabi ko hindi ako kakain.
Do you want to be tea, Dad?
Marami pang rice dun.
No, it doesn't.
Tapos sabi lang natin kung sino nag-request ba meron ang ulam.
Dave drank.
Sarap ng sauce?
Lalo kung fresh na sili. May mabango yun, di ba? Sili.
Every knows he's very nice.
Well, that number came from Tasmania, like to the whatever, but he's quite a right one.
Yeah, he's like
He's a goat. He's fox terrier.
it reminds me of the GWS.
Yung sauce, ano lang, liquid seasoning, tapos calamansi, extra, and ano, chili flakes, yun lang. Ang sarap.
Oh, that's it.
Probably seen on TV.
Dulu ulit?
Masala.
Yeah, siguro. Kasi kahit ganito lang dun sa ano natin, paano natin gawin. Tapos bites na ba para diretso?
At may okra.
Probably there's a bunch of change up there.
Pag nanalo pa.
Siyempre, ano?
Like, we have where there's like
Gutom na gutom.
40 bucks or something, like clams and cans and stuff like that.
Ayan.
When you can see the like 50 and see the change as well.
And I want this in the
Why? You're gonna use it? Okay.
First sixes.
No, it must be them.
It said second versus seventh.
This is the little you lost about it. Maybe we've not seen that more for you.
Yeah.
Anna, can you turn the toilet on, Arlo? Please, the toilet, inside the toilet. The toilet. The toilet.
What goes first? Championship?
Oh, ikaw, ano mo sa asawa mo?
Aye.
That's up?
Okay.
Yeah, I want your brownies.
Okay. Alin ito? Anything?
Yeah, that's up.
Saan yung
Okay. Itong dalawang malalaki kay Dad at saka kay ano.
That's already got it.
Where's the ice? Yeah, you can. Because you're going to Tita Manay's house.
I am getting you brownies. Ilagay ko sa ano sa kanya.
Jam your...
Here.
Oh my god. This hand. Oh my god.
Yeah, because you're gonna be a police officer, remember?
Yeah.
Police officers walk. What the?
Think of that. Oh the hair.
Holly?
Yeah, the little long bit.
Ito?
Mama, put me in the sea. Mama, put me in the sea.
Now this is Daddy and Tita Dan.
You know my flavor.
Wala, meron siyang ano lang eh.
Oh, meron?
Mum, you know my flavors.
I don't know.
Just white, yeah, just them two colours.
Which one saw the other one?
How big you want?
Little bit.
A little bit? Half?
Yeah.
Ayla, do you want brownies? Here you go, Kuya. It's yours. Ayla, did you say yes? Sorry? I can't hear, babe.
No one touch the balloon.
No one's gonna touch it. Hi, baby. You want a big one, Zach?
Dan, do you want cream?
I know, Chris.
Yeah, no,
Okay, I'm just getting Kuya Zach's and then I'll grab you. Ow, baby.
In a minute. Mom.
Here, Kuya, you do your ice cream. Thank you.
Thank you, Lloyd. Thank you, Lloyd. Thank you, Lloyd. Thank you, Lloyd.
See you, brownie. Yummy. Meron pa natira mo. Manay, ano? Anong plano mo? Anong plano mo? May isang slice ito na sa
Where's that?
May isa po. Oo, share na lang tayo.
Ayoko na, babe.
Ayaw mo na talaga.
Hindi ako sa kabusog.
Karin kayong dulo.
Gusto mo ng ice cream? Anong kulay? Kunin mo na itong konting pink. Konti lang na pink. Para tapos na.
Ito din kakain lang din.
Bata ko walang pink talaga. Diet ka, konti lang yung ice cream.
Thank you. Yeah, here, do you want this? Here. Here, big one.
Babe, it's gonna melt the ice cream.
Now wait for it to cool down.